Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 15 of Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. This is my inspiration today. I love the block background on this and all the bright colours. Mine's going to be a little bit different, obviously. Mine is going to focus on this photo, this gorgeous pavlova that has become a Boxing Day tradition. So in Australia, after Christmas Day, the next day is called Boxing Day. I don't think it's the same everywhere in the world. And Boxing Day is a public holiday, and it's time when, if you can't be with some family members on Christmas Day, then normally you get together on Boxing Day. And our Boxing Day tradition has been to make this gorgeous pavlova, and I'm pretty sure I made the base this year, and I can't remember when this was, a couple of years ago now, and my daughter decorated it with the whipped cream and all the beautiful fruit, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and then the passion fruit over the top. So we love it. My son absolutely adores pavlova and would eat the whole thing if you let him. Anyway, so that's what this layout's about. My heading's going to be in these self-adhesive felt alphabets, and it's going to be yummy, so quite self-explanatory. And my blocks in the background are going to be made. Now these are envelopes that I had made up that I tore down, but the paper is really apt. I was going to use this side, I might use both sides, but it's all like fruit. So there's strawberries, here's your raspberries, the other side is just leaves. This, I don't know if it's the same pack, but I liked the blue, and then we've got blueberries, and then a blue check on the back, and then just a blue and green. I won't be using that side, but they're the papers I'm going to use, and I'm going to hopefully be able to get quite a bit out of them, because that is quite a sizable chunk that I can use. And then I've got these sections as well, so they're the papers I'm hoping to use, and they are just scraps out of my scrap bags. I'm going to back the photo on this red check. My embellishments, I have some handmade embellishments here that were for a swap. I created that for a Fruit Frenzy swap. This I got as a swap in a kitchen themed swap. And then I've just got an assortment of other fruits that I have stamped and cut out. Just some leaves and flowers. They're meant to be like strawberry leaves and flowers. And then just a whole lot of green leaves as filler. Now I do have lots more fruit I have stamped, but because I got to fussy cut them, because apparently I don't have the dies anymore. Went looking, don't have them. So all these have to be fussy cut. So lots of strawberry tops I stamped, lots of raspberries, raspberry leaves, and strawberries. I didn't want to fussy cut all these if I didn't need them. So if I do need them, obviously I'll cut them. But for the moment, we might be okay. We'll see. All right, so that is what I'm doing. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. Quick and simple. I did fiddle around a bit with the embellishments, gluing them on. For some reason they all wanted to move, but anyway, it is what it is. And there's the page. Quite simple with embellishments. I'm letting the paper do all the work on this page. And I love the handmade embellishments. They just worked a treat. And the foam alphas, I think, are on their last legs because the U was stuck really, really hard and did not want to come off. I'm not worried that they're not even because they're super sticky but distort out of shape because they're a little bit too sticky. So the adhesive has gone a little bit funny. And yeah, they're old. I mean, you know, there's a reason why we should use our stash in a timely manner. 2009. So yeah, they're a bit old and they're starting to show their age. Anyway, that is today's page. If you have liked it, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you are checking out the playlist below with everyone else who's playing along this month with Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.